Hi all, welcome to AI Doc YouTube channel, and for today's AI Day 115, we will continue with creating Talkie, Talkie at AI.com. So hopefully it will be our last session for today, and we will see how our Talkie we have created for wall E will be functioning, and also we will try to check other remaining uh, feature which is FM. So this is the Wally talkie we have created last week, and it seems it when it published it was in review, and now it's uh, with with QC and review it got published. So let's try to check how it works. So preview and testing for intro which we have added, uh, it's now reflecting in preview uh, till this one. All intro is reflecting in preview section of intro, and the openings, that is opening sentence or opening narration from this talkie, it's showing as with audio format. So let's try to hear.
For 700 years, I've cleaned this world alone with only a cockroach for company. But then, Bissy! She appeared like a star in the dark. Eve, so shiny and new. And with her, a mission that could change everything. I'm Wally, and this is our story.
So voice is not exactly Wall-E character from that movie, animated movie, but it's near to that, and it's sound mischievous and small kids voice, so it's okay. And also painting is available. Then how to test, so we can publish, we can re-edit if you uh, if you want to update any features or add to intro or new update, so that can be done. I just want to check how we can, so that check that in. Okay, there is a privacy setting is there, so we can update it like private or unlisted. This token will be available to you and their connectors and followers. Storytelling, story setting, allow everyone, notify subscriber to contribute or only me. So it seems that subscriber can update story setting. If we allow this one, allow for everyone. Group setting is allow every other users to pull this talk into public group chat for chat of others, only me. So uh, so this is for like story setting is for like me or my subscriber, and group setting is like others can also use that talkie into public. Okay, so in public, some it seems that there is a public group available where people discuss with each other, and in that we can insert this bot or talkie as well. Okay. Mm, how to check? So let's try to go to talkie home, and let's try to find wall E there and try to discuss. So it, since it's related to create section, so I'm not sure we are able to check here. It is already published, so why need to publish? Okay, so okay, Where is our, okay, there are dozens of wall e talkies are there, and how to find out which is our, okay, so it seems that our, okay, our wall e is not present in here. So let's try to click on this one, publish. So again it goes to review. Okay, but it was not available in like search criteria. Okay, unbind. What is unbind? I don't know. Okay, so meanwhile let's try to check image library, which we already checked. We created two images and we lost one. We can recreate and in paint as well, which was not successful during last time. So let's go to fm, it's still under review. So fm create, we can create fm as well. So what is fm in Talkie AI? In the context of Talkie AI FM, likely the foundation models. Foundation models are type of generative AI that can produce outputs like text or other forms of media based on inputs. Okay, personalized AI foundation model. Okay, to enable users to create, interact with AI, utilizes this foundation. These models allow users to customize. Okay. Okay. So notice everything Talkie says it's made up by AI. Okay. How I can use this as, okay, copy, allow, allow, save. How I can search user I'm just trying to search with this username, like they mentioned by and with at uh, creator name is there. So just trying to search. If you hover your cursor, then that by name will reflect, creator name will reflect. Okay, what I will do, I will simply chat in this only and see it's how it's okay. Hi.
You're new! Do you want to see something amazing?
Its voice is not working correctly.
Follow me!
Okay. So this, I think this could have been much better somehow. So this, what he mentioned, if those description can be narrated by in other voice, so it would have been better. But nonetheless,
I've been waiting to show you this. You know, I've been on my own for so long. But now, I have someone to share my life with. I want to show you something that means everything to me. Are you ready? Close your eyes. Don't peek!
okay. So here it's working fine correctly, but NPC ID is there. So let's try to check with this one. Okay, so there are many connections I have made, it seems, over the last 3 days, and okay, Please check your weekly creator report. Yeah.
For 700 years, I've cleaned this world alone, with only a cockroach for company. But then, Boji appeared, like a star in the dark. Eve, so shiny and new. And with her, a mission that could change everything. Imwali. And this is our story.
Okay, so it seems that for Oli we have 13 connectors and one follower, and it's here it's we can check that. Okay, so it's working. How it's work? Paint something.
Paint on, paint on what? Well, yes, but I don't really paint on people. I'm a robot.
Yeah, got it. So uh, images. Okay, uh, images of planet.
Earth? I love to paint the earth. What image do you have in mind?
Usual one. Oh, so finally we are able to see the painting. It says that trigger setting. Call this function when user says images of planet, Earth, or solar system. So we can add more for triggering setting, and here we see. Okay, so great.
All right, let's get started.
How about solar planet? Solar planet.
Well, I could certainly try. It's going to be quite a challenge, though. All right, I'll give it a shot. But you have to promise not to be too disappointed if it doesn't turn out perfectly. Okay, then let's begin.
Where is painting?
Oh, I was just getting to that. See, it's not quite finished yet. The planets are still a little rough, and the shading isn't quite right, but I'm sure I can make it perfect. See? I told you I could do it. What do you think? You can't see it?
Okay. Rewind to here. Are you sure want to rewind the conversation to this point? Okay, we can rewind. So okay, so with this rewind one, recall this message, then okay, we can go to previous connect conversation as well. So that is one good feature they have. Okay, so it's about like it's working fine and we are getting response, good response as well.
For
Uh,
700 years! I've cleaned this world alone.
so so we have this talkie list following. One is following us, and here we have subscribers. One talkie created. Edit. We can edit profile. Okay, so after all this, let's try to go for FM. So FM here it shows that our similar to radio, but it seems in Talkie AI FM is like foundation model. But let's check what it is exactly. First, we will create one image. Talking watch, smartwatch. It is similar to what we created earlier, and talking to smartwatch. Common model. Talking smartwatch. I hope this will generate new one. Mhm. I will use this one only. Okay, use this image. Oh, I do not want to use this, but okay. Create FM. Select a NPC to create FM. Okay. So, okay. So NPC, just remember that it is those are characters I previously heard it during when there was trailer for uh, Grand Theft Auto 6 trailer release. So NPC, what are NPCs? Non-player characters. So game characters that are not controlled by the player, instead they are controlled by the game's artificial intelligence. NPCs populate the game world and fulfill various roles such as quest givers, vendors, companion, and enemies. So those characters which are not in control of gamer, but they are part of gaming ecosystem, where you have your character, you have control over it, but uh, it interact with other characters as well, but interaction others players interaction or characters interaction are not in control by your opponent or you, and they just simply give a kind of storyline. So I think that is NPC. So we can create NPC, but for it we required to select already available Talkie, which we have selected. Then Uh, okay, in world where Earth has become wasteland. So this is intro, scenario, import, script description, script creation. Okay, that is something new. What is self setup? Okay, since it is robot self setup, I am giving, and uh, we can import text. Please paste your enter your text in the box up to 50 paragraphs with maximum 2000 characters per paragraph. After submission, you will be able to see fine tune each paragraph and generate audio. So I think it's similar to what we have created, but let's see, let's go with this one, self setup, how it works. Then I think for next one we will try for import text. But if it we already uh, like reached our 30 minutes for today's session, how much possible we will try to do today. So self setup, generate EIC, we can't uh, assembling. Okay, okay, for anything we required to For self setup, required bossy. Okay, bossy SEO dialog, AI generate scene. First, let's go with what they have to. Uh, they have in their script already available script. Then we will try to add some customized text. 95. I'm pretty excited that how it actually works. I already always seen this in games, but first time. Okay, generate audio. Cover image. Auto mix. So it.
Beep, boop, beep. Oh, hello. It's Wally here.
Okay, so it seems totally 6.5 6 minute 50 seconds audio is created. Then cover image, project type, company, wall, e to wall we will keep as wall e only. Then there should be one. Okay, wall e, because for earlier our talkie we had this one wall dash e, so I will keep as wall e to keep differentiate from previous one. Background music is optional, but we can select. I'm just trying to hear it for just preview, but I'm sure that it will get copyright, and I need that part to be erase that song or theme, but I'm just trying to listening this background music just for to understand what is exactly to keep uh, to select relevant to this project. Okay, I have selected this gothic bunny of strength, and we can edit as well, we can remove as well, and cover image required. uh, we can click here to create one cover image for wall e pc. Okay, Why they show always anime kind of style? Not sure. Okay, I will use this one. Okay, it's done, 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 done. What's pending? It's already
Beep,
there.
boop, beep. Oh,
Preview project.
beep, boop, beep. Oh, hello. It's Wally here. Bop. I hope you're having a good day. Uh, you're having a good day. I mean, having a good day. I mean, I don't really know what good means for you.
Okay, so
Uh, I mean, I don't really know what good means for you, but I hope it's, you know, okay. I've been thinking about that. Eve. Eve. Beep. She's so different from me. Sleek and fast and beep boop. Full of purpose. I remember when I first saw her land. I was on my hill watching the sunset. That's my favorite spot, you know. I stack trash. I watch the sun. Beep boop. It's nice. But then Eve came and things got beep boop different.
okay, preview project. Create. Okay. I think these are NPCs are will be available in this project as uh, just we can't talk, but it will just be there to have like uh, it talks, but we cannot have conversation with it. So it seems so, but let's try to check company. We can edit, we can delete. Okay. So we have already this one, and let's try to check. Okay, search. E. Okay, where is this one? Okay.
For 700 years,
Wait.
I've cleaned.
Okay. Now I think from this our profile, I thought we able to get that uh, FM here, but it's not available. Is there any okay, here it shows says that it published, but okay, my so we have created one Talkie, one FM. We have interacted with Talkie as well. We for our Talkie there were like 13 uh, of like within 2 3 days we get response as 13 people have interacted with our talkie. Then we have created this FM as well, foundation model or NPC, but not sure. So
For 700 years, I've cleaned
wait,
this world alone.
so it's time to, we can reset report as well, delete this chat. So this is last one, I think. I'm still not clear how we can interact with this FM or NPC. It shows that a company and still okay till now what we have done session with this creation within creation mode are satisfactory. We are able to do that. If any layman like me trying to create talkie or FM, options are available, supplementary features are available which can help you to uh, like fulfill those criteria. So there is no technical knowledge required for this. So this is the last one. Okay, it looks like South America after water level rises uh, because of climate change, but still it's okay, or parallel earth kind of thing. So okay, I'm just trying to check is there any additional feature we missed to check. So they have FM not mentioned here. Fact. Let's go through facts one time. And what about FM? Don't. So it's all related to this one, payment kind of thing. Search. Okay. Talkie app. You can download Talkie app as well through Play Stores, Google Play Store or App Store. Then we can search. Okay, create and discover. So okay.
But may I have the honor of taking your life?
You see, but you do not.
This is incredible. No, extraordinary.
It got hang. so that's it today for AI ad hoc session 115. Let's meet next time with another interesting AI topic for next session. Thank you.